Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between XTB on the left or right here on the right, Lightyear. And I'm be honest with you, because before starting this comparison video, I want to make one thing clear, and that is I won't tell you which platform is better. Both platforms are great and they're totally different, and that is also the goal of today's video, because I will tell you in today's video the differences between those two on 5 different topics, and then after this video you know exactly which platform will fit you the best. So let's start right here with the main focus on XTB. And the main focus on XTB is that XTB is a CFD and stock investing platform, and Lightyear is a low-cost global investing platform. XTB is the best for active traders and CFD users, and Lightyear is the best for long-term investors and ETF investors. Then if we look to the trading tools, on XTB they have advanced charting, CFD, stocks and ETFs, and on Lightyear they have stocks, ETFs, multi-currency investing and cash interest futures. Then if you look to the interface, on XTB they have a trader-focused and streamlined interface, and on Lightyear it's clean, modern and beginner-friendly. If you look through the fees and trading costs, on XTB they have stock ETF trades, often zero commission within limits, and CFDs use spreads plus overnight fees. Then if you look to Lightyear, there they have a low-cost stock and ETF investing and competitive FX rates for international investing. So, many investors use XTB for active trading, CFDs and commission-free stock and ETF investing within limits, and many investors use Lightyear for long-term investing, global markets, low-cost ETFs and multi-currency portfolios. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which platform will fit you the best. If you have any questions, please comment it down below. But for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.